Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to go about changing your country settings on YouTube. So changing your country on YouTube can help customize your recommendations, access region-specific content, and set your YouTube experience according to your locations. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel. So open lang natin ang ating YouTube channel dito lang sa ating Chrome browser. And once na open na natin ang ating YouTube channel, so dito lang sa top right corner, so kailangan mo lang itap dito yung ating YouTube profile. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung locations. Alright, so nandito na yung location. So i-click mo lang yan. And then select ka lang dito kung ano yung preferred mo na locations. So for example, dito tayo sa Philippines and dito yung ating country. So kailangan i-select lang natin yan. Right, so nandito lahat yung klase at iba't ibang country mga kaibigan na pagpipilian. Alright, so i-click mo lang yan and change yung locations dito. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to change your country on YouTube updated 2025. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.